I'm here. Hope you're all doing well. This is going to be a walkthrough video for faster dropshipping options. We've been getting a lot of inquiries on the website and Udemy and Fiverr for our services. Unfortunately, we've had to stop taking on new clients for the time being because we're to capacity and we're looking to upgrade our facilities. So until we do, I've looked for an alternative fulfillment method for those of you who are using AliExpress for dropshipping. So I'll have the links below for anything that we talk about. So let's just jump in. So the fulfillment center is Shopify. So they're an Italian-based business, and they've got their fulfillment center in China. So here, when you log into the dashboard, you can see that they've already got their own products. So let's just open one, for example, just so you can have an idea of their shipping. So here you would select the country. So let's just say the United States. Okay, so the weight is 320 grams. And here are all your options. So you've got a premium special line 3 to 8 days. You've got special line 7 to 12 days. You've got e-packet 10 to 20 days. So you've got a whole range of options. And we can look at other countries as well. So Australia. There are options for Australia. They've got special line for a lot of countries, which is great. And they've got good times for Europe. And from memory, I think they had great times for the UK. So we'll just look through that as well. Yeah. So you can sign up with them. I haven't worked with them, obviously, but I've heard a lot of great things about them. So you can sign up with them and try out their services. Now you can link your Shopify store here so everything becomes automated. I'm not sure if they accept WordPress. They might, but I'm not sure. So if you go to the personal settings, you can mark up the costs, and you can set default shipping costs and low stock alerts. There's a lot that you can do here. You can set for them to send so automatic payments. So you just top up your e-wallet here, and then whenever a purchase is to happen on your website, you can set it to automatically pay and fulfill the order. So it's less work for you. And you can send tracking numbers automatically by email. So do have a look at them. They're great. You can send your own custom links to them. So somewhere here in requests, probably you can do wholesale requests as well if you're doing Amazon FBA or high volume dropshipping. Here you can download their Chrome extension. So once you do that, you'd go over to AliExpress and open up your product, and through that extension you'd be able to send a request through for a quote. So you've got 10 quotes you can send per month. So these are some quotes that I did just to get an idea, and they are cheaper than AliExpress as well, and they'll handle the fulfillment, so you're not doing it through AliExpress. Okay, so once again, you just do it all through here. And this is where you fill out all the details and select your images. And then you push it over to your Shopify store. So I hope this all helps you and gives you just another option in case you need it right now. So I'll see you in the next video.